In tonight's Dollars and Cents. If you're hoping to file your 2025 federal income tax return as soon as possible, the IRS started accepting returns this week. There are a lot of changes this year, so I talked with an Elk Grove-based tax expert to break down what you need to know.
Californians will be happy with that ability to deduct more state taxes.
That's just one of the changes you'll want to keep in mind when you file your 2025 taxes this year. Flaminius Ching, a certified public accountant and tax expert, says you can deduct your state taxes from your federal taxes, but what used to be a $10,000 cap is now raised to $40,000, a significant increase for a high-tax state like California.
Because of all these changes, there are a lot of tax forms that are still in its unapproved state. So even though it's turned on the e-filing, you may still have to wait because the tax forms need to finalize.
Also, new tax law provisions like no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and no tax on auto loan interests all have specific requirements taxpayers need to meet in order to qualify, including documentation from employers and lenders.
On the no tax on tips, there's a cap of $25,000. Usually an employer will report tips under Box 7 of their W-2.
Many Americans could see higher refunds this year. The Treasury Department estimates they'll average $1,000 more per household. The One Big Beautiful Bill boosts the individual standard deduction by $750 and by twice that for married couples. It also gives a new tax break to some seniors. To help you with the process, the IRS launched their Get Ready website, which includes information on new tax laws and how to file for free. You can see here it has tabs for what's new and what to consider when you file, and resources for making filing easier. There's even a page detailing what you need to know about the One Big Beautiful Bill.
There's going to be understanding and leniency, I think, for this upcoming tax season, understanding this transition. At the end of the day, though, it is the taxpayer's responsibility to understand the rules and to implement them. But I think as long as they do their due diligence and try their best, lack of a better term there, they should be okay.
Experts say filing early can help protect you from scammers who file returns on your behalf and claim your refund. Also keep in mind, starting this year, the IRS in most cases will not be issuing refund checks. So make plans now to receive your refund as a direct deposit. I have deep dives into the One Big Beautiful Bill and what you need to know about the new deductions and other changes to federal and state taxes. You can find those on our free ABC 10 app. Email me your questions at lpainter@abc10.com.